Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, daily chart. Sorry about that. We're just kind of fighting over the 9-day. We're fighting over weekly pivot. We're fighting over big round number 3,000. We're fighting over the area, the preprint on the FOMC, which was 3,000 spot 25. We're continuing to chop around in a 20 to 30 handle kind of whippy range, and neither side can really finish. So neither side can either jump out of it or go back down or take, there's no breakouts, no breakdowns. We just kind of gravitate back to the middle. You can see it here on the hourly chart. You have some big moves, which has been really nice trading. Yesterday was pretty, it was pretty mundane. I mean, we went to the upside over the course of the day. They whipped it down and they whipped it back up into the close. And for the overnight, it's just been kind of whippy. They haven't been able to finish. They popped it up as high as 1225. Then they went back this morning to 0975. But most of it has just been this grind. I mean, these are hourly candles. They're just grinding. Okay, so as we open in about 20 minutes. You've got the hourly mid-band at basically 3,004. Volume weighted average price sitting there at 06. Our proprietary moving average is sitting there at 06. So it's still just this entire area that has got to be dealt with. The good news is once one side or the other can convert this, you're going to get the next, call it 6 to 10 sessions of a move. And that, if it's a move to the upside, it's going to be a move up and over the top of the current all-time high. If it's a move to the downside, it's going to be a migration back towards the daily mid-band and potentially back to the 50-day exponential moving average down at 29.54. But as it stands now, all this right here just has to kind of work itself out. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Off the open, 3,000 to 3,006. Yeah, it's a 6-handle wide range, but that's kind of the hand that we're dealt this morning. Respect risk, don't get stubborn, and don't worry about getting left at the station, because once this thing starts to move, there'll be plenty of time to get on the train. There'll be a lot of opportunities. This will run farther, whether it's up or down. It'll run farther than most people think. All right, take care, trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.